Hello, this is John Rawnsley, independent affiliate for Freebay, and today I'm going to do a quick training on how to install the Android app on Freebay Cryptorobotics. So first off, we need to go to Google Play and type in Cryptorobotics. You'll see it's the third one down here, Cryptorobotics Trading. So we shall select that and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and you will get the login page. Now you'll see there's no Freebay on the bottom of this. What I suggest you do is hit the Access Recovery. Type in the email that you're registered with Cryptorobotics with and next. This will bring the following dialog box up. You need to get a password recovery. Now I know it's in Russian, but you just need that number. So copy that number and paste it into the confirmation code at the top. And then you enter your new password. Now for this purposes, I'm just going to put password 123. Don't worry, I have changed my actual password after doing this video. But password 123 is the password we've set, and then it will ask you again to log in with your email and password. So here we go, putting my email address in and the password that I've just set, password 123, and next. Hit the crosswalks to prove that I'm human, and there we go. The next is your 2FA. I use Authy, as I said. I don't use Google Authenticator. Authy allows you to have backups, and that will take you into Cryptorobotics, registered with Freebay as per before, and you can now trade from your phone. Good luck. Don't forget, you can lose money while trading as well as make money. Thanks very much for listening.